Imagine running a YouTube channel that effortlessly churns out content, engages with viewers, and grows your audience, all without the constant hustle of manual management. What if you could automate the repetitive tasks that drain your time and focus more on creativity? YouTube automation offers just that. In this guide, we'll dive into the essentials of YouTube automation, breaking down complex concepts into manageable steps. We will explore how automating tasks can streamline your workflow, enhance your productivity, and unlock new levels of efficiency. So let's get started. Step 1. Select a YouTube niche. Choosing the right niche is the foundation of a successful YouTube channel. Start by focusing on areas where you have both expertise and passion. Whether it's technology, cooking, fitness, or gaming, your enthusiasm will shine through in your videos. Consider how competitive the niche is. Some areas are highly saturated with content, making it harder to stand out. On the other hand, a less competitive niche might offer more opportunities for visibility and growth. Also, think about the potential profitability. Niches with high viewer demand and advertising rates can lead to better revenue opportunities. By carefully selecting a niche that matches your interests and has good growth potential, you set the stage for a channel that's both enjoyable and successful. Step number 2. Create a branded YouTube account. To start managing your YouTube channel effectively, set up a branded YouTube account. This type of account is specifically designed for businesses and content creators, allowing you to keep your personal information private while giving you control over your channel. With a branded account, you can invite multiple users to access and contribute to the channel. This is especially useful if you plan to work with a team or collaborate with others. It keeps your personal account separate from your channel activities, making management smoother and more professional. Creating a branded YouTube account not only enhances security, but also provides flexibility in managing and growing your channel. Step 3. Build a high-quality automation team. To fully leverage YouTube automation, you'll need a team that can handle various aspects of your channel. Here are 2 effective ways to build your team. Assemble a team of skilled individuals. Look for talented people who specialize in different areas. Crucial for your channel's success, you might need experts in research to finding trending topics, scriptwriters to craft engaging content, voiceover artists to bring scripts to life, video editors to polish your footage, and designers to create eye-catching thumbnails. By bringing together skilled professionals for each role, you can ensure high-quality output and streamline your content creation process. Hire a company for key tasks. If managing a team isn't feasible, consider outsourcing to a company that offers comprehensive services. Many companies specialize in video creation, channel management, and other essential tasks. They can handle everything from producing your videos to optimizing your channel for growth. This approach allows you to focus on strategy and content while experts take care of the operational details. Building the right team, whether in-house or through a company, will help you automate your channel efficiently and scale your YouTube presence effectively. Step 4. Use tools to automate processes. To ensure smooth collaboration and efficient project management within your team, utilize workflow management tools like Asana, Teamwork, or Smartsheet. These platforms help organize tasks, set deadlines, and track progress, making it easier to manage multiple aspects of your channel. Asana is great for creating detailed task lists, assigning responsibilities, and monitoring deadlines. You can set up projects for different areas of your channel, such as video production or marketing, and keep everyone on the same page. Teamwork offers robust features for task management, time tracking, and communication. It helps you to coordinate tasks and manage team workload, ensuring that projects stay on track and are completed on time. Smartsheet combines project management with spreadsheet functionalities, providing a flexible way to track tasks, resources, and timelines. It's particularly useful for visualizing project progress and managing complex workflows. By implementing these tools, you streamline your team's workflow, enhance productivity, and maintain organization, ensuring that your YouTube channel operates efficiently and effectively. Step 5. Monetize your channel. Once your channel gains traction with a significant number of views and subscribers, you can start monetizing it to generate revenue. The YouTube Partner Program is a popular option, allowing you to earn money through ads displayed on your videos. However, there are several alternative ways to monetize your channel beyond ad revenue. You can engage with your audience through super chats during live streams, where viewers pay to highlight their messages. Print-on-demand services offer a way to sell custom merchandise related to your channel without managing inventory. Brand deals provide opportunities for sponsored content or product placements, generating income through partnerships with companies. Additionally, you can sell digital products such as ebooks or online courses, or offer services like consulting based on your expertise. Affiliate marketing is another option, where you earn commissions by promoting products or services through affiliate links in your video descriptions. By exploring these diverse monetization strategies, you can enhance your revenue potential and maximize the financial success of your YouTube automation channel. Common mistakes. To ensure success with YouTube automation, it's crucial to avoid some common pitfalls. One major mistake is neglecting quality over quantity. Automation should enhance your content, not compromise it. Another error is failing to engage with your audience. Even automated channels need personal interaction to build a loyal community. Inconsistent uploads can also hurt your channel's growth, so maintain a regular schedule. Additionally, be wary of over-relying on automation tools without understanding their limitations. Always review and refine your content. Avoid re-uploading another creator's content. Doing so can lead to copyright strikes, which can severely impact your channel's standing and monetization potential. Another critical error is using copyrighted music in your videos. Many resources provide royalty-free tracks that can enhance your videos while keeping you on the right side of copyright laws. Lastly, avoid focusing solely on monetization too early. Building a strong, engaging channel should be your priority. By steering clear of these mistakes, you'll set a solid foundation for a successful and sustainable YouTube automation journey. The future of YouTube automation. The future of YouTube automation is set to become even more influential. As technology continues to evolve, innovations in artificial intelligence and machine learning will likely bring more advanced tools for automating video production, including automated editing, enhanced content recommendations, and smarter analytics. These developments could significantly reduce the time and effort needed for content creation, allowing creators to focus more on strategy and creativity. Moreover, automation tools are expected to offer better integration with other platforms and technologies, making it easier to manage cross-channel marketing and audience engagement. Features like automated social media postings, real-time performance tracking, and AI-driven content suggestions will provide more comprehensive support for growing your channel. To stay competitive, creators should remain vigilant about the latest tools and trends in the automation landscape. Keeping up with advancements will enable you to adapt quickly and take full advantage of newer opportunities. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights on YouTube automation and content creation.